Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about a special story of the founder of Domino. I recently got this book, The Domino Story from library, and it talked about the founders, uh, their story. So they were brothers, and their mom was a single parent mom, and their father had died and it was very harsh, like of them growing up, and they had to change lot of homes, lot of times because her mother was working extra hours to keep them and give them a good life education. This was one line, and to talk about it and to go deeper into it, it like is really inspiring. I never thought this is a unicorn, guys. I mean, this is so huge. Dominoes. You would see like three outlets in one area. There are hundreds of outlets in one city and thousands of outlets in one nation. It is spread all over the world. It is marvelous. And to see that who started this, like how the journey is, it touched him. To be inspired from them, those who have so much strong will and they learn from life the hard way. Guys, what do you want to achieve? Do you want to make an empire like Domino's or Pizza Hut or KFC? These are the franchisee model, and definitely Domino's thrived during the era, during the time when US was seeing a speedy trend in franchising, doing the contracts. During that way it took off, and I just learned from the founder that it is so rewarding when you just try and go about and about the processes behind a production, because you bring efficiency, and every second you want to minimize and you want to make it fast, and at a point you touch different aspects of the product, that is the quality, the time, the cost, and of course the profit. It will follow. You have to say this is my product, and I have to see this much levels. I mean, if you are interested in seeing that kind of level, otherwise don't bother. But if you are seeing that kind of level and efficiency in your business, try to minimize the bottleneck. Figure it out which part it is taking a lot of time, which part of the production is taking a lot of resources or a lot of cost, and reduce it. A simple reduction of the offerings from the menu, which took the same cost but the size of pizza. Okay, so they had, I don't remember exactly the inches, but they had, I think so, one 6-inch pizza and one 12-inch pizza, and they were taking both the same costs of preparation, and time was also taking the same. But 6-inch pizza, it was not much priced than the 12-inch pizza, so they removed it completely from the menu. And this happened due to some incident when there was a shortage of workers. So this revolution took place, and overnight their sales went up, and they kept their menu so simple, and they were always dependent on takeout deliveries. They didn't have much sitting areas, not much chairs like the Pizza Hut. They would depend on lot of people coming into the restaurant. So these guys, they took advantage of the delivery at that time when delivery was not a big deal. They were not expecting lot of people to order. As time passed and some situations came, like the war came, Second World War, and then people wanted they don't didn't wanted to go outside. For example, during the season of winter, they would prefer to, or have something from the comfort of their homes, and they don't want to make suddenly they want to feel all cozy, so they will just order. So this was not, not a coincidence, not pure luck, but it was something they perceived before it became fire. Before this delivery system took fire, they perceived it to be beneficial, and not because everyone was following it. They didn't copy anyone, but because they believed in it and that they could provide and deliver up to their commitment of services. So I'm inspired by this story. I hope you also read something about the founders of Domino's and be so much inspired by those restaurants around you. Who You might be from which place you might be eating a lot and ordering a lot, and this will inspire you also. I hope it does. Take care, and I'll take my leave. I hope that you figure out about the stories of other founders who are in your area, who have established some businesses, strong businesses in your area. And with this, I would take my leave and bid you farewell. Bye.